Today I am going to make special mithais and savories, Kanda Pakodi. Now for making Kanda Pakoda, we will slice the onions, not very thin, not very thick, medium size. About 100-150 grams of sliced onion can take about 100 to 200 grams of gram flour depending upon the quality of the onions. Some sliced green chilies. Some crushed coriander, some curry leaves, a little bit of haldi, and a little generous amount of salt, because onion has got a lot of sugar. So this being a savory, the salt has to be a little more. So now when making Kanda Pakoda, the very important thing is we don't put water in this. Whatever the water the onion leaves, the batter has to be made in that. So mix it well. The onion will start oozing water because of the salt there. Rest it for 5-10 minutes after you squeeze, and when you squeeze like this, the onion should start oozing water. That is the time the besan has to be added. Now that the onions have become soft, it has also started oozing water. 150 grams of onion will take about 150 grams of gram flour. Seed the flour onto that. Yeah, this should be the consistency. Then it's ready for frying. So oil should not be very hot. Check a little. So onion pakodi now, sprinkle it. Put a ladle so that it doesn't sink. Don't stir too much when the Kanda Pakoda is getting fried. The besan will get separated. Fry it till golden brown, and then it can be served with tomato ketchup. So it's become golden brown. Sprinkle some chaat masala and serve it with tomato ketchup. Hot Kanda Pakodi is ready to be served.